We're on Highway 3 at the 20 Mile Creek Bridge project in Hedley. Give you a bit of an idea of the project, how it's been shaping up. You might be able to see that they've been able to work on the pours for the concrete and have looks like some of the foundation is in place. I'm going to see if I can actually get across the highway here to show you a little better view of this. Alright, so there you see that the concrete foundations are now being built. I'm just going to get back behind the safety zone here. Oh, we actually got a fairly good view of it right here. I'll zoom in a little bit for you. So the angle that I'm showing you right now is the actual original pathway of the highway. And this is where the new bridge is going to be built, and eventually this will be the pathway of the highway again. The vehicles you see going by are on a detour to get around this. But yeah, things are looking pretty good. Also, I can see that they've been misting the concrete pour. Let's see if I could zoom in on one of the misters. Not sure if I'm going to be able to do that. Might be able to see